ACE recently added a docking port and a service cart to make the exchange of the solder pots from lead to lead-free safe and easy for the operator. With the service cart in place, the operator exercises a subroutine that moves the XYZ, essentially the solder pot, to mate with the service table. With the solder solidified, the solder pot is removed from the KISS machine. A temperature warming circuit is built into the service cart to maintain the second solder pot at just below molten temperature. Reversing the procedure, the second solder pot is put in place. This is a major upgrade and available in all KISS 102, 103, and 104 machines sold after February 2010.